It's also wonderful to cook food, make your own dishes, spirit food, right? In the heart of nature. That's what we are all natives, right? Doesn't matter, native Bangladesh, native America, native Australians, native China, belong to one root, that is Mother Earth. Okay, so let this to be cooked for a while, and then I'm gonna mix the tilapia fish, which I already marinated. So it's gonna be, just mixed with there. It's so hot here. All right, I guess now I'm just gonna mix the tilapia fish, which already has been marinated with turmeric powder, with chili powder and mixed masala. So so yummy already. Okay, so this is the fish, the tilapia fish. Oh, so fresh. See, so just gonna put the fish here on the top. This is the head. More. Just put all this, on the top. That's it. Just cover it up with the lid and let it to be cooked. So easy, right? It's my native Bangladeshi dish, the tilapia fish with vegetables. You see? And getting cooked right in the heart of nature with the clay pot, clay oven. Just the charcoal, that's it. It's beautiful, right? Delicious, looks so yummy. It's the future of cooking, sustainable cooking. If you don't have any gas, electricity, or power outage, this is the best thing you can ever do. Cooking just using this clay oven or clay pot with charcoals. You can use the woods. Either way, this is the future of sustainable planet Earth. Sustainable cooking, spirit food. And this is my native Bangladeshi fish and vegetables. This is the tilapia fish with vegetables. This is the future of sustainable planet Earth. See how it's doing. Okay. So now, just to add a little bit of smell, a little bit of, like that fragrance. I'm just gonna put some, cilantro on the top of it. So, just like this. It smells so good. Cilantros, right? I didn't even cut them. I'm just using my hand. This is gonna just add such a beautiful smell of this native Bangladeshi dish. The tilapia fish with vegetables. Almost getting cooked. The tilapia fish with vegetables. Native Bangladeshi dish with the clay cooking pot. The future of cooking. The future of planet Earth. Sustainable cooking without gas, electricity, without power. This is the future. So feels so good to cook in the bushes, in nature. I cannot believe that our ancestors, the natives, they used to live in the bushes. They used to cook, in the bushes, just using the woods, just the stones, the fire, and then just they would catch the fresh fish, or hunt, fresh, animal meat, and they'll just cook and eat and share. That is the foundation of our origin of this mother nature, of this planet Earth. Gosh, can't believe, almost there. Almost there. It's so delicious, right? Let me see. Just stir it a little bit. Ooh, sizzling. See, that's yummy, delicious. Wow, fresh fish, tilapia fish. Let me see. Smells so good. Delicious, yummy. This is definitely one of my deep favorite spirit food, native Bangladeshi fish with vegetables. And the owl is doing his cuckoo sound. So nice. Can't wait. So if you don't have gas, electricity, if there is an outage, you can buy this, the clay oven or just the clay cooking pot. I would just say clay cooking pot. You only need the charcoals and just woods, and you can just light it up and cook without gas, without electricity. This is the sustainable cooking, the sustainable environment for the future planet Earth. Just gonna let it like this. So cool. What are these owls are giving me the message to cook fast. Wow, this is the native Bangladeshi outfit, and this is handmade, and this is the jewelry the natives, the Bangladeshi natives used to use. This is so authentic. Be yourself, just like the noble bird, eagle. You don't have to fit to the society, to the people. You just be yourself. You be unique, brave, courageous, wise, but very, 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 what did I say? Righteous, very pure, clean in your soul. Only then you'll be like the star of the birds, the eagle. You will shine. You can only shine when you have a pure soul, a heart full of gold. Then you shine. And then the divine will help you. He will send the messengers, the angels, to guide you, to support you. You don't need any human being. You can be just strong enough if you only have the Creator next to you.